Good morning, friends. My name is Anup Nigam. I'm a technical analyst. In the previous video, we learned about how do we calculate the profit or loss for the long put option. Now, in this video, we'll try to understand how do we calculate the profit or loss for the short put option. Short put is essentially traded by aggressive investors who are very bullish about the prospects for a stock or index. Selling puts can offer limited profit potential and the possibility of large losses on big fallen underlying asset. When we sell a put, it means we are bullish on the stock or index and we expect the underlying stock or index to rise in the future. Now, when to use this strategy? This strategy is only to be used if we are bullish on the stock or index and our idea is to generate short term income. The risk in this strategy is unlimited, whereas the reward is limited to the amount of option premium. Break even can be calculated by subtracting the premium from the strike price. Now consider that we sell the put option of a stock X of a strike price 2250. So whenever we sell the put option, we are likely to buy it back at a future date at an unknown price. So when we sell the put option, it refers to as short put. Now in this case, if the spot price of a stock X goes above the strike price, then the seller will make the profit. Whereas if the spot price of stock X remains below the strike price, the seller will make the loss. Now consider that the spot price of stock X is trading at 4191.10 and we sell a put option of strike price 4100 of stock X at a premium of 170.50. So if the spot price of stock X falls below 3929.50, the seller will make the loss. Whereas if the spot price of stock X stays at or goes above 4100, the seller will make the profit. Now in this situation, the buyer will not exercise its option and it will expire worthless. And the maximum profit in this case to the seller will be the option premium. Now let us try to understand this with the help of the table. So the strategy name is sell put option. We can also call it short put option. So if the spot price of stock X is trading at 4191.10 and we sell the put option of strike price 4100 at a premium of 170.50, so the break even can be calculated by subtracting the premium from the strike price. So in this case, the break even will be 3929.50. Now let us try to understand how do we calculate the profit or loss for the short put option. So as we know that the spot price of stock X is trading at 4191.10 and we have sold the put option of strike price 4100 at a premium of 170.50. So if on expiry the spot price of stock X closes at 3400, the seller will make the loss of 529.50. If it closes at 3500, the seller will make the loss of 429.50. If it closes at 3700, the seller will have the loss of 229.50. If it closes at 3900, the seller will have the loss of 29.50. But if it closes at 3929.50, which is the break even point, then the seller will have no profit, no loss. But the moment the stock or index starts moving above this break even point, the seller will start making the profit. So if it closes at 4100, the seller will have the profit of 170.50. If it closes at 4300, the seller will have the profit of 170.50. If it closes at 4500, the seller will have the profit of 170.50. So from this table, we can evaluate that the risk in the short put option strategy is unlimited, whereas the reward is limited to the option premium only. Now let us try to understand this with the help of the graph. So from this graph, we can see clearly that the reward is limited to the option premium only. Whereas if the stock or index falls down, then the seller will have the unlimited loss. So guys, from this video, we have tried to understand how do we calculate the profit or loss for the short put option. So if you think that this video is informative, then please like this video and subscribe my channel and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you. Dhanyavad.